Yes. Hello everyone and welcome back to the Cargo Show. As you can see, Slate is already fixed. It only took a matter of 2-3 hours since after I towed it for the mechanic to diagnose the problem, order the part and fix the car. How much it costed? Stay tuned. In this video we're gonna discuss that. American dollars, my brother.
Thank you. You counted.
I don't need to. Okay, now we paid the mechanic. It's finally time to wash Slate. It hasn't taken a bath in a long while. Pepsi.
Well, the Lakers are recalibrating their free agent strategy.
$21 buys you 6.12 gallons. Gas is expensive here. Also, I always put the 93 Ultimate, whatever it is. Okay then. We paid the mechanic, we washed the car, we put some gas in. Now it's time to talk numbers. The tow truck, because it's towed for a short distance, costed me about $60, actually $60 exactly. I paid that yesterday when I towed the car. The fuel pump itself, because the mechanic analyzed it's a fuel pump, costed me $220. He ordered it quite quickly, installed it right away. The labor, since I know the mechanic for a really long time and I consider him a good friend, costed me only $80. I understand if that would have been the Mercedes-Benz dealership, that would have been a lot more. So total of $300 for repairs, including part and labor, and $60 for tow. That makes for a total of $360, and the car was fixed in a matter of like 2.5-3 hours. So I'm really grateful. The problem wasn't that big, even though it was really annoying, and even though $360 is neither a lot of money nor no money at all, it still worked out fine for me. I really need Slate. It's my trusted horse, and it's really comfortable to have a car. You can all relate to this. Also, if you feel like subscribing, now is the right time. Tomorrow we're gonna be packing for vacation to the island of Tenerife for 2 weeks. I'm gonna show you what I'm taking with me, what camera gear, what backpack, and what do I pack for 2 weeks of vacation in an island in the Atlantic Ocean. So if you like this video, hit the thumbs up, and again, I'll see you in the next one.